Good evening and happy Friday. A lot of things have been going on this week in our area, including some big changes. So in case you missed it, let's dive in. On Thursday, WTAJ announced that our very own John Clay is leaving his position as our nightly news anchor. Clay has worked at the station for 21 years, covering so many events that have been important to our area. But he's not leaving. He will be working over at the VA. And earlier today, Governor Wolf announced that all schools in Pennsylvania are to be temporarily shut down due to the coronavirus. Effective Monday, all K-12 schools will be closed for 10 business days. Coming out of Cambria County, our Sean Rapp showed us more about a health clinic that is relocating. Highlands Health has been serving those in the community with no or limited insurance for more than 20 years, but they're running out of space, which is why the director says that they're moving to a much bigger building on Locust Street, previously Conemaugh Plastic Surgery. Renovations started earlier this week. Earlier in the week, we reported on the Cinderella Dress Project that provides prom dresses and accessories to local high school students for free. As of today, the organizers have decided to postpone the event. They're hoping to reschedule for April. Now heading to Center County, our Devin Jackson talks about some things involving Penn State and sports.
Earlier this week, Penn State President Eric Barron announced all classes will be moved to remote instruction starting Monday, March 16th and going through Friday, April 3rd. The plan is for in-person classes to start back up on Monday, April 6th at the earliest. The university will stay open for faculty and staff. Undergraduate and graduate students at all campus locations are strongly discouraged from coming to campus and off-campus locations like apartments and fraternities. Penn State says their decision was made from a coronavirus crisis task force made up of people throughout the university. They're listening to the advice of medical organizations like the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention. The NCAA announced on Thursday that March Madness, as well as all winter and spring sports championships, have been canceled. That has also trickled down to the PIAA Winter and Spring Championships as well, and Penn State also announced there will be no blue-white spring game this year.
That's it for this week's In Case You Missed It. Tune in next week to receive all the top stories coming out of WTAJ.